What's up, bro? It's Julian. A couple of my videos started to blow up here recently. I was getting a lot of comments of people asking for my advice. My most asked questions was, how can I start a code? What courses and tutorials do you recommend to start computer engineering? I absolutely love people taking action and chasing their dreams. I just wanted to make this video and talk about one of the biggest traps you can fall into when you learn how to code. And that is called tutorial hell. I fell into it, and every programmer has fallen into it too. So cool. You want to learn how to code, right? So you go on YouTube and you search up how to become a software engineer or how to learn how to code. There's a million videos that pop up. You look overwhelmed, but you click on the one that interests you the most. You start following this tutorial, but it looks nice, and you start to learn a lot of stuff, right? You finish the tutorial, instead of going on VS Code, you start looking at the next tutorial, the next tutorial, and the next tutorial, but you never implement your work. And you actually are not learning anything. When I started my career, I was in the exact same loop. I was doing Twitter and Tinder clones. All of this shit right here, then I realized I was just copying someone else's code and not learning and processing anything on my own. Then one day I took a step back and asked myself, why wasn't I learning anything? You are doing these tutorials, but not learning how to code. Then I found out that I was in a loop called tutorial hell. It is when you're not producing any of your code on your own, but you are following someone else's tutorial. This may sound crazy, but the key to learn how to code is to run into as many problems as possible, then solve them one by one. Solving problems is literally your job. The learning process should be not different than anything that you are trying to learn in life. For complete beginners, focus on fundamentals. But if you're a little bit know how to program, like if you know loops, if statements, and arrays, you could literally build anything. You just need to pick a project and actually implement your work. It could be building a game, creating a website, or even creating a calculator. The purpose of doing projects yourself is to get stuck at them. That means when you get stuck, that means you're growing as a developer. And when you get stuck, try Google your way out of it. If Google doesn't work, use your best friend, ChatGPT. The thing is, at first, you are going to absolutely suck at programming. If you don't believe me, look at my very first YouTube tutorial and look how badly I sucked at YouTube. My thumbnails was trash. I didn't grab people's attention in the first 15 seconds. By actually learning how to improve my YouTube videos, I kept making YouTube videos. I didn't watch tutorials. I improved on my craft by making better thumbnails and grab people's attention in the first 15 seconds. Now remember, the price of progress is pain. Before I end this video, I want to say something that always stuck out to me. Hate has 4 letters, but so does love. Enemies have 7 letters, but so does friends. Lying has 5 letters, but so does truth. Failure has 7 letters, but so does success. Cry has 3 letters, but so does joy. Negativity has 10 letters, but so does positivity. You always have a choice to choose, so always choose the better side. If this video has helped you out in any way, shape, or form, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and keep on your programming journey and your software engineering journey. I will see you on the other side.